After weeks of headlines and speculation, the US announced a 20% tariff on EU imports, but that's already been cut back to 10%. The good news, well, for now, pharma products aren't included in Trump's tariffs. Still, that might change. And if it does, what would it mean for Irish jobs? Well, let's break it down. Ireland exported €58 billion worth of pharma and related products to the US in 2024. And Ireland's pharma industry is massive. Over 90,000 jobs depend on it. That's 50,000 directly and 40,000 more in supporting industries. And a huge portion of that would be in companies like Pfizer, Eli Lilly and Johnson & Johnson. That said, Irish pharma jobs aren't going to go anywhere anytime soon. The reason? You just can't pack up and move a pharmaceutical manufacturing site to the US overnight. FDA regulations alone make that very difficult. Plus, building a new manufacturing site from scratch is a long, complex and very expensive process. Let's take a look. Let's say a company wants to shift production from Ireland to a brand new plant in America. Here's what they need to do. Get internal financial approval, find a site and get planning permission. That's 1 to 2 years. Design and build a facility, allow 2 to 3 years. Tech transfer and performance qualification, allow another 1 to 2 years. FDA inspection, allow at least another year. And then the kicker, scale up production to full volume. Even after approval, a new plant doesn't go straight to 100% production. It takes time. In many cases, it can take up to 2 years for complex medications such as biologics and advanced small molecules. And all that time, the Irish site still has to keep running. So you can see that building out a new plant takes a long time. It's anything but straightforward. And if pharma tariffs were introduced, well, we would expect to see some hiring slowdowns or freezes, fewer job announcements, and with so much uncertainty, delays or pauses in any new investment. But that's future growth, not current jobs. Those factories running in Cork, Limerick, Waterford, Dublin and elsewhere, they're going to be staying busy. So if you work in pharma or you want to work in pharma, you're going to be okay, certainly for the foreseeable future. And if this video helped make sense of the noise, hit the subscribe button and drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in retraining or upskilling for the pharma industry, visit our site at www.getreskilled.com. Thanks for watching.